great night, good evening. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.
We'll let you know through the website. Arrange it. I have to arrange it.
Bye! Hey, you can eat outside, guys. You can just go there and you can eat. You can get some snacks there. It's alright.
Harold, you can also write here in my book so that I also have your signature. It's like a scrapbook. Oh, they are?
He has it signed. Alright, thank you. Please sign here in this book. It's also electronic. Okay, your turn. I'm the number one fan! Really? What time did you arrive, man? Do you have your stickers already? Yes. Alright, that's good. That's good. I'm also left-handed too. Wow!
So cute.
You look like someone who was like your age, man. Except for the eyebrows. Yeah, probably.
Thanks for coming.
Bye, Joseph. Take something outside.
Joseph, your message for Joseph. Let's write something.
Ang daming left-handed.
Okay, thank you. Where's Joseph? Ah, yeah. This is also that he has your name.
I'm sorry.